Today we have a 2016 training vehicle with multiple different sets of hand controls. First is a Weigel right hand control mounted to some quick release spin knobs. Loosen them up, remove the entire hand control. Same with the brake rod. Quick release manually on, same with the brake or with the gas rod. Two different styles of steering knob locations, multiple different options. Under column, push rock hand control, electronic gas, mechanical brake with the sure switch on the top so you can activate your blinkers and your wipers. All plugs into an auxiliary port mounted in the dash. Same as the hand control. All removable by a quick release pin. Same as the brake. Also, left-footed gas pedal. Easily removable with two screws. Wire plugs into the same place that your hand control would plug in.